Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by making sure your Chromebook won't sleep mid-process. Keep it plugged in if possible. Open settings from the system tray or press search, then type settings to jump straight there. Once inside, navigate to Device, then Displays. This is where screen rotation controls live on most models. If you don't see rotation, check for an advanced display menu or toggle experimental flags. This gets you ready to actually change orientation without wasting time on reboots. Now you'll pick the rotation value. Choose 90 or 270 degrees for portrait, 0 for landscape. Select the option and apply it. The screen should rotate instantly so you can verify content alignment and touch response. If touch calibration seems off, rotate back and retry to confirm driver consistency. Also try the keyboard shortcut control plus shift plus refresh on many Chromebooks to cycle orientations quickly. This is helpful for repeated testing. Make sure apps and web pages render correctly once the new orientation is set. Once the rotation looks correct, lock the orientation if your device offers that option so you don't flip it accidentally. If the setting doesn't stick, restart the Chromebook to ensure the change is written to system settings. Should problems persist, check for Chrome OS updates and reset display settings. Outdated firmware or a buggy flag can prevent rotation. One quick troubleshooting tip: try the keyboard shortcut first. If that works but settings does not, you likely need an update or to disable an experimental flag.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.